Hi, my name is Aditya Naragila Saputra and my partner.
Risha Kirania Savitri.
We are from SMA Negeri 1 Semarang. In this video, we want to present to you our project called EDCMP, Early Detection Child Mental Health Problem, for Indonesian Science Project Olympiad 2022 about mental health.
Mental health is a state of well-being in which the individual can cope with the normal stresses of life, work productively, and is able to make a contribution to the community. Mental health is very important for our lives because if you experience mental health problems, your thinking, mood, and behavior could be affected and become difficult to function in your daily life, according to WHO.
Mental health conditions such as childhood epilepsy, development disabilities, depression, anxiety, and behavior disorders are major causes of illness and disability among young people. Worldwide, 10% of children and adolescents experience a mental disorder, but the majority of them do not see help or receive care. Suicide is the fourth leading cause of death in 15 until 19 years old. The consequence of not addressing mental health and psychosocial development of children and adolescents extend to adulthood and limit opportunities for leading fulfilling lives.
These mental health problems can be treated with some methods or consulting professionals like psychologists or psychiatrists. However, how many people aware that they experience a specific mental illness so they cannot get proper treatment as earlier as possible?
To address this issue, we developed an Android-based application for young people to identify whether they have symptoms of mental illness, so that with early identification of mental health, people can get treatment before the condition is getting worse.
Formulation of the problem. A. How to make an application that can help parents detect problems in their children's mental health early on. B. How to test the effectiveness of this application with standard testing methods.
Purpose: make an application to find out the mental health of children from an early age so that appropriate action can be taken as soon as possible. B. Testing the effectiveness and ease of application with standardized testing standards whose result can be scientifically justified.
Scope of problem. This application is intended for children aged 10 until 18 years old. Although the age above is not a problem, but in the study, the subjects studied were 10 until 15 years old.
Benefits. Benefits for the community is can help identify mental problems in children by using an easy-to-use application. For researchers, making this application can add insight into the science of programming, making good scientific works, and about the psychology of children.
Next, timeline. Planning, literature study on mental health, looking for a suitable program for making application. For time, 1 week. Design, make application design with Codular, create application flowcards. For the time, 2 weeks.
Programming. Doing programming using code, evaluate every progress obtained from the programming results. For the time, 4 weeks. Testing. Conducting application testing and programming related surveys. Evaluation the results for the time is 1 week. Analyzing. Collecting data from survey and evaluation result. Analyzing. Collecting data from survey and evaluation result. Conduct evaluation and draw conclusion. For the time is 1 week. And how the application works? First, you need to log in by creating an account in sign up page. After login into the information sections, there is an explanation of mental health and what symptoms there are. Then in location sections, there is a button that shows your current location and closest available doctor or psychiatrist. In the counseling sections, There is a photo card and information about psychiatrists who will direct you to WhatsApp and can start on online consultation. And for the last one is test section. There are tests to find out indication of mental health symptoms, include anxiety, OCD, and major depressive disorders. Conclusion. The ETCMP application is an application that can detect mental disorders early on in a person so that immediate action can be taken to prevent bad things from happening.
The result of the survey with a population of 50 students with the highest age and level of education being high school students, the following results were obtained.
A. Based on the MDT indication tests at the vulnerable age of 15 until 18 years, the largest percentage is 36% of the symptoms are mild. B. Based on the test indication for anxiety disorder in the vulnerable age group of 15 until 18 years, the largest percentage is 38%, is that there are no symptoms. And C. Based on the OCD indication test at the vulnerable age of 15 until 18 years, the largest percentage is 48% of the symptoms are moderate.
This is our reference.
That's all our presentation. Thank you.